We start this edition with the breaking news that's coming in, and this is in regard with the caste census survey that's going to be held in Karnataka. Now, we learned that there is a statewide social and educational caste census starting today. The caste census app, meanwhile, has hit a technical glitch. The UHID number on the house stickers are not working, and that the app fails to open. There are nearly 3,777 teachers that have been deployed. Many have been stuck in Haveri city, while some other areas have reported an app error. Officials are now struggling on site to fix the issue. That's a major embarrassment, ladies and gentlemen, for the Congress party there in Karnataka. Remember, there was already internal revolt that was happening inside the Congress party in Karnataka over the caste census survey. Now we learn that while the survey has already been launched, there seems to be an error in the app, after which there have been many that have been stuck at various places. We learn that officials are struggling on site to fix the issue. It's been hours now since the issue has occurred, and the officials are unable to fix it. We also learned that there was a statewide social and educational caste census. It was starting today. Caste census app has hit a technical glitch, and more than 3,777 teachers have already been deployed. All right, my colleague Smita is reporting live from the Bengaluru newsroom on that story. Smita, very good afternoon to you. It seems like a technical glitch, but more than that, it's a major embarrassment for the Congress party.
Exactly. We can call this as caste census 2.0 because, this is basically a socio-economic and educational survey which was previously conducted in Karnataka. Jaiprakash Hegde also had submitted a report to the state government, but as a huge controversy hit for that report, and even inside the Congress party was split into two about this report. The Congress High Command itself has ordered, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar to reconduct the survey. So just to follow the orders from the Congress High Command, the Congress-led government here in Karnataka decided in hurried way to conduct a resurvey, the socio-economic and educational survey, which is popularly known as caste census 2.0 here in Karnataka. Only 15 days of time has been scheduled to conduct a survey of more than 2 crore house. A sticker has been given by the commission for each of these 2,000 crore house, but when the teachers who are deputed to survey the house went there and tried to scan those stickers, the codes given in those stickers, and enter the details with interacting with the household people, the app is not cooperating. Technically, there has been lot of issues regarding this survey. The teachers are not given a full prepared training before this survey started. Even there are basic facilities, loopholes for these surveyors. There have been series of complaints, throughout Karnataka that the app is not working. The code is not properly getting scanned like this. There are series of technical glitches, and let me also tell that Bangalore is kept out temporarily from the survey as the GBA, the newly formed Greater Bangalore Authority, had requested the government that they need extra time for conducting the survey. So apart from Bangalore, the other districts are involved in the survey starting from today, but as you rightly said, technical glitches are making it difficult.
Absolutely, Smita. I request you to stay with me because we're getting in more breaking news again in the same regard.